piano. Mom's enjoying a little private concert. Name that tune. Dave's over there. There's Dave. There he is.
She get that one?
Yeah, she got that one right away. Yeah. We'll take a little video. Oh, you got bare feet. Look at your bare feet playing the piano.
Oh, that's right.
He's over there with bare feet, Mom.
Okay, ask her to tell me whose theme song this was.
Whose theme song is this, Mom? Well, play it right.
I don't know whose theme song it is.
No? Who is it, Dave? We give up.
You give up?
I even recognize it.
Recognize the tune, but I don't know whose
Is it Jackie Gleason?
You guys are embarrassing.
Oh, are we really?
What is it?
What is it? What is it?
You gonna give up that easy?
It sounds really familiar.
Red Skeleton.
Oh, Red Skeleton.
Red Skeleton.
That's his theme song to his show?
Yeah, and his band leader was?
We don't know. I don't know for sure.
Oh, Leola knows.
Nope. I don't know.
She doesn't know.
David Rose.
David Rose, okay, yeah.
Holiday for Strings.
Yeah,
Red Skeleton.
yeah, David Rose, yeah, I remember now, you say it.
Yeah, and it went to, let's see. Hang on.
There he goes on Novadon's piano, which is a C3. Now who are you trying to do, Red Skeleton?
I can't remember the bridge. The bridge is real famous.